Yes, yes, the premium rides at Venice Beach. Scooters, cars, pizza, Teslas. Safety Orange, #1 in our hearts. Stay Frosty Orange, we like to call it. Came with its own security guard. Nice. Very nice. Good times. We're out here. Place to be. A lot of action. A lot of walls for art. Art needed. Classic truck. Heck yeah, look at that. That's a big old beauty. We should probably go get a shot of that, but they're honking at us, so you saw it here. Maybe we'll go get a shot. Keep it herbal. Shouts to the party spot, Reeds. You can find Gordo there next to the brig. One love.